Hey folks, I just decided I'm going to move my classes online a little bit early. And while I do have a Blackboard shell set up, I would like to do some lecturing. And so I'm going to use Microsoft Teams. And so I learned a few quick things tonight and wanted to show you how to do that. So if you go, like you're going to log into your Outlook on the web, up in the corner are all of the other apps. And if you click on Teams, you'll find a list of all of the teams that you're a part of, and this is the one that I'm making as a test space. If you go up into the corner and click on your user picture, you can download this onto your desktop app. So I'm actually going to move over there right now. Okay, so in the main space under the general thing, there's let's get the conversation started. I started off by tagging Josh so that we could start a chat window. And underneath this is this video button that says Meet Now. And when you click on that, you can start a meeting. I'm going to turn off my camera because I'm in my pajamas on the couch. And this is the cool part. So you can click on Share and find a PowerPoint. Here I have one that I just dropped into this team. And it will load your PowerPoint. And then I become a little person in the corner talking, lecturing, and I can give my PowerPoint lecture this way. So this was the show participants piece. I'm the only one in the meeting right now. And if other people were in the meeting, their pictures would come across the bottom from their video, but they can always turn their camera off if they're feeling shy. They can also mute themselves if they're in a loud space. And then there's also a conversation that can happen on the slide. So you can type things, and the students could send you messages while you're lecturing, answering questions, I imagine. And then when you're done, you can hang up. Before I do that, one more thing. You can record your session. And there we go. And that way you can share this with other people later on. So happy online teaching, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.